72 policemen were indicted by the investigative panel. 28 of them are recommended for prosecution, while 25 others are recommended for dismissal. Some of the petitions received by the investigative panel bordered on allegations of extrajudicial killings, enforced disappearances, and prolonged detention by policemen. The panel wants victims of these atrocities paid more than 700,000 euros as compensation for police atrocities. The investigative panel's findings and recommendations further highlight gross human rights abuses perpetrated by the police in Nigeria. The Nigerian government set up the investigative panel 2 years ago to look into cases of human rights violation, especially those carried out by the now-disbanded police unit called the Special Anti-Robbery Squad. The disbanded police unit, also known as SARS, was notorious for human rights abuses. While it existed, SARS symbolized the level of human rights violations by the police in Nigeria. The investigative panel was set up in the wake of nationwide protests against police brutality, especially those perpetrated by police personnel in the SARS unit. The protest, also known as End SARS, called for the disbandment of SARS. The government disbanded SARS in response to this demand, but it was a costly protest, especially in Lagos, the epicenter of the protest. The military controversially fired live rounds into the protesting crowds to violently put down the protest. Several people were killed or injured during the military action.